Everybody needs a little sunshine in your life sometime.
Hey everyone, so we're getting ready for Hurricane Milton to come through. We decided to come over and stay at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. We're staying in the Grand Destino Tower. I'll take you for a tour of the room. So we're on the 4th floor, rooms 421. So when you first walk in the room, on the left-hand side is where the bathroom is. So you have the double sinks. And then there's some cabinet space. Nice size mirror. And then this is the shower, like a walk-in shower. So it has the shower head at the top, and then there's one shower head that actually comes off. And then this is what it looks like. They do have the H2O products, but it's just been rebranded. So they have the body wash, the conditioner, and the shampoo. And they still do have like the H2O body lotion. They give you some mouthwash, some bath soap. And then there's a separate door here. And this is where the toilet room is. And then there's some more towels. And there's just another look around. And the bathroom does have like the barn door that shuts for the bathroom. And then when you walk in, there is a closet space here. This is the inside of the closet. Has space to hang clothes. You do have an ironing board. And this is where the safe is if you need that. So we have the room that has the king size bed and then the couch pull out bed. Here, and then there's a nice size mirror on the wall. And then over here, you do have a Keurig. So you can have coffee, tea. Then you have the ice bucket. And then it is a nice size desk here. And then some more drawers to store stuff. And then in the cabinet underneath where the Keurig is, there is a refrigerator. And then on each side of the bed there is a little table next to the bed with drawers and lights. And then this is the pull-out bed. Another sitting chair over this side. Another light. And then they do have the Hey Disney in the room, which is like an Alexa. This is our view. Our view's okay. We're not very high up, so you can't see as good. If we were higher up, you would be able to see Hollywood Studios. But this is what it's looking like outside so far for the hurricane. But the bad weather is supposed to hit us tonight, late tonight, into tomorrow morning. There's just another view of the room from this angle. It's a nice size room. This is the first time we've ever stayed at Grand Destino Tower. We're gonna go down to the lobby and see what's going on. Any activities are happening. They do have the hurricane meal boxes. If you scan the QR code, you can see what they have. And here's some of the activities they have during the hurricane. They have some dance parties, some trivia, story time. They have a bingo, a stuffed animal parade, a lot of fun things. Here's what it's looking like outside. They got the sandbags by the doors. We're gonna head down to the convention center. They're having a dance party. The wind is starting to pick up outside. We're heading into the dance party. The dance party is empty. So they have this room set up too with the movies and a board board games, different games that you can play. So we're sitting at Barcelona Lounge. Here's a QR code if you want to look at their drink menu. We got a pomelo daiquiri, I think that's how you say it. This is just a look around the Barcelona Lounge. So they have bingo at 6. That's where we're heading now. We're gonna check out the bingo. So this is the room that they're having the bingo in. And I heard maybe the characters might stop by. So this is the bingo card that they give you. It has all different characters. So our markers to mark our bingo card are Pirates Gold. So Minnie and Donald just came. Donald is my favorite. They came to play bingo. They're sitting down to play bingo. We got a new bingo card now. It's Magic Kingdom. Here's what the outside is looking like right now. The wind's picking up. The lights have flickered in here a couple of times. So we're heading into El Mercado, the quick service restaurant, to get some dinner. So they have some rice bowls. I'll try to put a thing for the menu on there. They have hamburgers, chicken tenders, fries. For the kids, they have a kids cheeseburger, kids mac and cheese, kids quesadilla. And they have a mac and cheese. I might have said that already. And then they have a pizza station that has pizza, garlic knots. And then the pastas that they have are spaghetti and meatballs and penne pasta with Alfredo sauce, and you can get grilled chicken with it. So we end up getting spaghetti and meatballs and chicken tenders. The spaghetti and meatballs came with a garlic knot as well. Here's the view from our room. Probably can't really see anything because of the rain. It's raining really hard right now. And the winds are getting pretty bad. So this is the prize that you got when you won bingo. They were giving out different rubber ducks. You could pick which one you wanted. So we're gonna go into the Dahlia Lounge. It's on the 16th floor. Here's a look around the lounge. You have a nice view from up here. You probably can't see because of the reflection in the window, but you can see Hollywood Studios and Blizzard Beach. So Destiny got a hibiscus mint lemonade, and then I just got a hot tea. Their restaurant Toledo is also on the 16th floor. Here's what Toledo's looks like on the inside. So we're back up in the room. It's about 8:30 at night, and they want everybody to shelter in place in the rooms to keep everybody safe because the worst part of the storm's getting ready to hit. Yeah, it does seem like it's getting worse. Looking outside, it's hard to see with the rain and the wind blowing. So we didn't get to go to the DJ dance party because all that got canceled because of the shelter-in-place order. So we did bring ourselves some liquor up into the room. We got this peach Bellini drink. Good morning, everybody. So it's the morning after Hurricane Milton has moved through. We're gonna go down to Rick's Cafe and have some breakfast. Here's a look at the menu, what they have. So I got the all-American breakfast with scrambled eggs with cheese, potatoes, and bacon. Destiny got the French toast with fresh berries and bacon. So the parks are closed again today, so the resorts are having a bunch of activities.
The Greatest Showman at 3 o'clock.
There's a look around outside after the storm passed through. They've already been cleaning up. One of the big doors came down at the Coronado. This is how it's looking outside now. The rain has pretty much stopped. Still a little windy, but nothing compared to what it was last night. It got really bad. You could feel the building shaking last night. I don't think we have power at home. We're gonna go back to the house soon and check everything out.
Everybody needs a little sunshine in your life.